Hey y'all, Lou here. I want to talk to y'all today about cabinet scrapers, okay? This is something I always used. Uh, I do not like using sanders, but I will use sanders on stuff for like when I moving, say something like paint, okay, a finish and stuff. I will use a sander there. But when I'm building, say something like a table, a desk, stuff like the air, always use a cabinet scraper, okay? A tabletop, a cabinet scraper. This leaves you with the best finish. Let me show you. You see this little shelf right here? You see how it's got almost like a satin sheen to it? There's no sandpaper on here. Plus it feels like silk. That was all because of this little booger right here, okay? A cabinet scraper or a card scraper. Now, what it does is it just takes off a tiny fragment, okay? Your outcome, your smooth finish when it's applied is all determined on what kind of effort you actually put in before you apply that finish. Now, like I said, I do not like to use sanders. This right here, I love using it. Now, I like to sharpen mine on both sides because then once one side gets dull, I just flip it around, okay, and keep going. I know some guys that actually sharpen them on all four sides. I just haven't never gotten around to that yet. First, you will not be able to master this the first time you pick it up, okay? Trust me. And remember, if there's something that can be screwed up, I can screw it up, okay? This right here, once you master it, you can't go wrong with it. I have used them for years, and I encourage people, use some of the old-fashioned hand tools, okay? Because back in the day, people didn't have like sanders, okay, and sandpaper. You had aggressive files, okay, scrapers, using hand tools. This right here, this is meant to finish with before you apply your now shellac, your polyurethane. This one here come from DFM Woodworks. I got it off of Amazon. I want to say it was like $18 for something like a 3-pack set. It had the French curve, it had the cove, and this one here in it. It was a sale going on it. But yeah, look them up. But just look into doing that right there, because a cabinet scraper, it'll leave you with a smooth finish. That's how I do a lot of my stuff. But yeah, so everybody, until next time, please like, subscribe, comment, ring that bell over there, okay, and share these, okay. So until next time, hey, always be nice to everyone, because you never know is when you're humbling one of God's angels. So until next time, peace out, and may God bless.